that is full of what you like doing, than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Hey, come on, yeah. I don't want the fame, a two-step with me, come on. Two-step with me, come on. You would tell, actually 1, 2, 3, talk to me. Man, I come to this game, man, to change your brain. Man, I come to...
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are gonna do a get ready with me because y'all know what season it is. Y'all know it's literally the hot girl summer season. Cue the music.
Me, get what you need like me, Ain't nobody got up on their tip-toes and roll to the tip like me, I got him like Beat, he fiendin'. My body a drug and he need it. He begging me for the treatment. He throw a fit when I leave.
So as we all know, ladies, it is hot girl summer, but we have not been doing a good job at it. Okay, we got tired, we got lazy, we got emotional, we let our feelings get in the way, but we have to stay strong. It is a hot girl summer for a reason, okay? Megan Thee Stallion did say on Twitter that it's not too late to start your hot girl summer. Girl is going to brunch, okay? It's like a brunch day party, and I'm trying to be a hot girl, okay? Point blank, period. That's it. Period, poo. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to prime our face. We cannot be a hot girl if we don't prime our face. We want to be a hot girl, not look like a hot girl. We don't need to be sweating our face off. So I'm going to go in with 4 different products because we are going to create a bulletproof application. So the first product that I'm going in with is the Skindinavia, the Makeup Primer Oil Control Spray. This spray is literally the holy grail. If you have oily skin, buy this as your primer. The next primer spray that I'm going to go in with is the Milani Make It Last. This is the Prime Plus Correct Plus set. So the next thing we're going to go in with is our Active Hydrating Cream. This is by Olay. This is literally my favorite. So we have to moisturize our face because we don't want our skin to beg for moisture, and then we start producing natural oils, and then we look like a hot girl. The key to keeping your face composed and put together is the skin prep work. So the next product we're going in with, like I said, I'm going in with 4. LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. I like this primer to mattify the T-zone area just so that we are not, the oil is literally being blocked and no oil is going to be precipitating through. Don't forget your upper lip because you know when you in those brunch places and day parties, the first thing that sweats is your upper lip. And make sure your lip is like groomed a little bit because ladies, we know that we get hair on the upper lip, so we don't need extra attention when we're sweating there. So like I said, it's a hot girl summer. We got to do the hot girl makeup, okay? And y'all know exactly what the hot girl makeup is. Okay, so now we're about to do our brows. So for the brows for hot girl summer, lately it's been a more natural brow, more so just lightly filling it in and still doing the concealer on the top and the bottom. I'm going in with my Ulta Beauty Ultra Slim brow pencil, and this is in dark brown. And I'm just going to outline the top and the bottom part of the eyebrow, just on the areas where they're a little bit more sparse. So I'm taking the Ulta Beauty Brow Pomade, and this is in warm brown, and we are just only focusing that product on the outer part of the brow. I'm going in with the Hot Girl Summer Concealer. Okay, I know everybody has this concealer. This is probably the best concealer on the market that is a drugstore and affordable. So if you want to be a hot girl this summer, definitely go out and get this concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And make sure you flick some of that concealer on the inner part of the brow just so we can have a more natural brow. So that is it for the first brow. We're going to do this brow right now. Alright, so now that we have the lids primed, we are going to do our signature hot girl eyeshadow look. So the first hot girl shade that I'm going in with is the Sleek Makeup eyeshadow in Oh Honey, and we're going to use this as a transition shade just to warm up the look and give us a nice orangey transition color. And we're just going to pack this on first and then blend just so we can get the color down. Okay, so the next hot girl shade that I'm using is in the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession palette, and I am taking this reddish brown shade right here, and I'm just putting this below the transition shade. So going in with the same palette, I'm taking this dark reddish brown shade. This has some red undertones to it, and I'm just going to take this on a packer brush just so I can lay the color down, and then I'm going to go in with a blending brush to blend it out. So now that we have that on, we are going to cut our crease. Y'all already know how I cut my crease, so I'm not going to show this part. So I'll be back when the hot girl crease is cut. So for the lid shade, I'm going in with the LA Colors Invite Only. This is one of their new palettes. They actually have 3 different palettes. I'm going in with the Invite Only palette, and the packaging is like super cute. Here's the outer cover part. So I'm going to go in with this shade for my lid color. It's more of like, it looks brown on camera, but it comes out to be like a peachy gold brown mixture. So I'm going to take this on this is the Morphe M224 brush, because I really want to pack this color on. Super cute color, y'all, and very pigmented. Can't complain, can't complain. So now we're just going to blend. For foundation, I'm going in with 2 different foundations. This is a matte foundation, and this is more of a satin foundation. I'm going in with these 2 because they give a nice balance to where we're not looking like a dry-faced hoe, but to where we're not looking like an actual hot girl and sweating in the sun, okay? I'm taking the Cover FX foundation. This is their 2-in-1. I believe it's their Powerplay foundation. And I'm in the shade N90. And I like to put this in the center of my face. And this foundation dries super fast, so you need to work quickly. And for the outer part of my face, I'm taking the MAC Match Master in 7.5. And I'm going to put this around the perimeter. And don't forget your neck, because we don't want to be having a hot girl summer looking like a two-tone chick, okay? So for concealer, we're going back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm actually going to cut on the outer part so we can have that nice sharp line. And make sure you come along the nose. So now we're going to go in with our contour shade. I'm going in with the AJ Crimson. The AJ Crimson, these are his foundation shades, but I use them for contour, concealer, whatever I feel like using. It's a cream, you can use it for anything. But we're going to do that nice bronzy contour. So to set my face, I'm going in with the Clove and Hallow Pressed Mineral Foundation, and this is in the shade number 10. This is a great all-over face powder. When I first tried this, I was a little skeptical because it looks a little bit lighter than my complexion, or how I would typically like my all-over face powder to be. But just look at this, y'all. This literally looks airbrushed. You see the difference? This one is not set, this one is. And you still have like a nice airbrush finish. Loving this powder. Now, to add some brightness to the motherfucking party, I'm going in with the AJ Crimson. This is his loose powder in Bamboo. It's a yellowy powder, but it just gives the best brightness. You see this brightness from here to here. And you don't need a lot, just enough to set the under eye to where you're not creasing throughout the day, because it's really, really hot outside. It's not just a hot girl summer just because we looking like a bad bitch, but it's literally like 100 degrees. We need to keep the face put together. So to continue, we are going to go in with the Black Radiance Contour Palette. This is in medium dark. As you can see, I really do love this shade. I've hit pan. I use this shade on pretty much all my clients. So I'm definitely going to need to get another one. So for blush, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion Blush. This is in the color Rosé. This nice like pinky peach shade. And this looks so pretty on darker skin tones. So now we're going to move on to the highlight. This is where it's going to get real. This is what's going to determine if you a hot girl for real, okay? So for highlight, I'm going in with the Shop Miss A highlighter in Macaroon. This is their baked highlighter. It was only $1, y'all, and y'all gonna see why this is literally my favorite highlight. But then on top, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Kilowatt highlighter in Hustla, baby. Just to give me an extra bit of hot girl situation. Because you know Rihanna a hot girl too, okay? Rihanna been on her hot girl stuff too. So let's not forget. We got to commend. We got to praise the ladies who've been on their hot girl. Okay, so I have popped my lashes on hunty. Okay. So for lashes, obviously the longer the better. I went in with the official Mink lashes in the style Diva. So now we're going to work on the lip. We're going to do that classic brown nude lip. So I'm first going in with the NYX lip pencil. And this is in the shade Espresso. And then I'm going to go in with the AJ Crimson Matte Liquid Lipsticks. This is in Love Jones and this is in Boy-Bye. And then as a topper, as the gloss, I'm going in with the Revlon Super Luxurious Lip Gloss in the shade Rosy Future. Alright y'all, so this is it for the finished hot girl summer look. I didn't really do much to my hair. I have plenty of curly hair tutorials on my channel, so definitely go check one of them out. So for my outfit, I'll insert some pictures of the full thing. So this dress is from Forever 21. The necklace is from Fashion Nova. The shoes are from Pretty Little Things. And the earrings are from Claire's. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, join the B.O.M Squad because we are the realest squad on the internet, okay? Also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box below if you want to see more videos like this one, especially for this hot girl summer. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys!